Your house is going to be sparkly and spotless for Christmas, and it's only going to take you 30 minutes. I've timed it. I grew up in a house where cleaning was like a weekend affair, especially for Christmas. It was like a week affair. Everyone's scrubbing, everything had to be spotless. Here's the thing, totally unnecessary. I found out you can get the same results, but be lazy and take shortcuts, and it's all about the hacks. And I'm gonna share the best of the best with you so that you can get a house that looks like you spent all weekend scrubbing and you're only spending 30 minutes. And of course, I made you a printable and it has all the times on it and it's free in the description below. So let's jump into the best Christmas cleaning hacks. This routine starts where you poop. Gloves on, friends. Look at me, gloves on. You're gonna start by just spraying it down all over and then let it do its thing. Here is the part right now that you don't want to miss because it's Christmas time and there's something called olfactory adaptation. I had to Google what this is, but basically our brains do not detect our own stink or our house's stink because we're so used to it, we don't smell it anymore, which means your bathroom might smell like a truck stop urinal and you don't even know it.
Hey, do you smell that?
Because if you have dudes who stand to pee, something either has to be longer or legs shorter because they're splashing. So what we're gonna do is make sure you get the seal all the way around the bottom, the wall beside the toilet. Make sure you're spraying that too. It's not just about the cleanliness, it's also about the stink, my friends. And if it's been a while, we gotta pop those tabs. I'm gonna pop some tabs, only got $20 in my pocket. Okay. Usually my bathroom routine is exactly 6 minutes. This is going to add to that time. You don't have to do this unless you're like me and you have never done this. I'm really just getting very intimate with my toilet today. Looking for That's not so bad. Woo! Look at that. Satisfying. Take that, TikTok AMSMR. And then the inside, and then we're moving on because this is a speed cleaning video. Oh God, I just think possibly someone in my family should see a doctor. Last thing, this is important, friends. Cleaning a toilet sucks. So every time you flush, make it clean by putting a bleach tab in the back. Is it good for the environment? Freaking no. My Christmas morning is gonna have a clean toilet. We're moving on. This is a speed cleaning video. Next, super fast. If your tub's like mine and it has a ring and soap scum and it's gross, the spray and walk away technique is where it's at. Grab your favorite cleaner and just literally spray your shower down and let the cleaner eat the soap scum. You literally spray it and you walk away. You can come back in 15 minutes and rinse it, or you can leave it for the next person who showers and their feet will get sparkly. It doesn't matter. The point is, don't scrub. Let the cleaner do what it's supposed to do. Spray and walk away, 30 seconds. Moving on. The next thing you want to focus on is the counters. If you have a ton of products everywhere, quick tip, use a get ready bin, which means you just keep all the things you normally use to get ready in a container. So if you're wanting to clean, you just take the whole container and tuck it away. This is the secret, friends, to like clean all the time bathroom, except it's not really clean. Here's the other secret. When you're doing your mirrors and everything, oh, I'm so lazy, a foaming glass cleaner, it's where it's at. And I know, stop, you Norwex warriors in the comments are gonna say, use a glass cleaning cloth. They are amazing, but honestly, pairing it with a foaming glass cleaner, it just eats all the goo. It's just the best thing. They will shine, there will be zero streaks. Again, I'm not sure how good it is for the environment or my lungs, but let me tell you, I don't care, because 30 seconds to a clean, streak-free mirror, taps, sink, counter. Yeah, let's go. Next on the routine is main living areas. And I know, you know what we both know, I'm gonna say it, but it has to be said, tidy tote. It's magical. Why do professional cleaners clean your house in record time? It's because they don't leave the room. Your tidy tote has all the cleaning supplies you need, your duster, everything, but most importantly, it has space in the middle. So when you find dirty dishes or things that belong upstairs in your kids' room or whatever, you put it in the tidy tote so you don't leave, and you put it away as you move from room to room. This is the secret to cleaning super duper fast. My big secret for having a living room that always looks tidy are like random clutter catchers hidden all over the place. Basically, it's just a basket, but if you have the same kind of clutter always accumulating, dogs' toys, kids' toys, papers, your craft supplies, whatever it is, having a basket for each different category in the room is key. You've contained the clutter. At the end of the night, or the end of the week, or the end of the month, or never, you can put the stuff away, but this means you're not having clutter spread all over every surface. You've contained it in your clutter catcher. That's just a basket. I've given a fancy name too. The last thing I want to talk about when it comes to your main living areas is clutter blindness. Just like you can't smell your own stink, you can't see your own clutter. So try this, please. Take a few seconds and take a picture of your living room, take a picture of your kitchen, and then look at it. You will be disturbed because you're going to notice things you don't notice with your naked eye because you're so used to seeing it. Piles of random clutter, things that just look bad. This gives you a new perspective that your guests might have, and it's an easy way to help you like really get your house looking fab. Now we're spending just 8 minutes in the kitchen, and 5 whole minutes of this is dishes. If you have a lot, focus on the dishes. Either load them in the soapy sink, put them in the dishwasher, unload the dishwasher, whatever you gotta do to get rid of those dirty dishes, and then we're focusing on the kitchen counters. Use your tidy tote for the stuff that doesn't belong, like if it belongs in the garage or in another room. But here's a quick tip. Just like we have clutter catchers in the living areas, you should have one in your kitchen too. And I'm obsessed with this one. And it's great for papers. So if you're a person who normally piles on your counter, man, just get yourself a clutter catcher basket. Boom, Bob's your uncle. No more clutter, but you still have all the stuff when you know where it is. This is like key. My last speed cleaning tip is to invest in a one product wonder. Why this is important is because you don't want to use a foaming glass cleaner or anything with ammonia on your granite or quartz countertops or any wood. But if you have an ammonia-free glass cleaner, so Method, Mrs. Meyer's, even using rubbing alcohol, it means you can do your stainless steel and you can do your glass and it's streak-free, and you can do your countertops and you can do the front of your wood cabinets. Every surface, one rag, one cleaner, super fast, and nothing will get damaged and everything will be streak-free. Shining like a penny, Santa can come in here with his white glove. Oh, oh, what? No dust, that's right. Speaking of dust, listen friends, this Swiffer duster, I've tried other things, it's the greatest for trapping dust and you being lazy, and you just literally swoosh it around and get cobwebs and light fixtures and all the things in seconds. Don't move anything, don't worry about anything. If you haven't dusted in a really long time and you've got some thick goo, you probably are gonna have to wet dust with spray first, but a weekly or even bi-weekly Swiffer maintenance, friends, it is the greatest thing. Who's got time to fill a bucket? Wring out a mop? I don't think so, friends. A spray mop is the speed cleaning wonder for your house. I always keep a pad on it. This one's probably dirty, but you know what? And I always keep solution so it's ready to go at a moment's notice. So if you have spills or sticky or gross stuff, just spray and wipe. 1 minute you can mop your entire kitchen or your entire living room. I swear to you, it is this is the second greatest cleaning tool. Look at it. Oh God, look at it. Na, na, na. And we're done. The first greatest cleaning tool for speed cleaning is a robot vacuum, but they're expensive. So I was like, do I say it? But I can't not say it because honestly, if you're a lazy girl, a robot vacuum is the way to go. But I know they're pricey, but it's also Christmas. Put it on your wish list, Santa, under the tree. It's not sponsored or anything. I just really like my robot vacuum. Why is this video turning out like this? The final thing is probably the most important thing, and that's de-stink your house. Because remember, we learned in this video about olfactory adaptation, which is your brain adapting to your own stink and being unable to smell how bad you stink. So light a candle, or even better yet, make a Christmas simmer pot by just adding some like stuff you have around the house, like oranges and cinnamon sticks. Who has that around their house? Nobody, but I do because it's Christmas and I make a simmer pot every year. Why? Because I want people to think I have my life together. And when they walk in my home, it smells like I have my life together and not like cat litter. You are welcome, friends. Light a candle, make a simmer pot, and everyone will be tricked into believing your house is clean and Christmas spotless, sparkling. I gotta be done now. There's a free printable. I made it for you so you could speed clean your house in minutes. Get that in the description below. I'm gonna moonwalk out of here. This video has been... we don't got time to refilm. This is just real me. Okay, it's take it or leave it. You subscribed already. This is what you get. It's fine. No one's gonna watch it. It's all right, let's go. You may have noticed while I was showing you my cleaning routine that my house was already clean. And I thought about like fake messing it up for you guys, but like that's disingenuous. Here's the honest truth. Because I do this like 30 minutes speed clean every day, it never gets messy. I'm lazy. I want to show you that this is possible. You don't have to be a clean freak. You can have a house that's tidy and clean all the time, even if your family doesn't help out. And coming up in January, I have like a butt ton of videos planned to show you exactly how to make your house effortless, because that's what it's all about. You deserve to have it clean and tidy and organized without having to clean and tidy and organize all the time. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because I've got some awesome videos coming. It's going to change your life, man, for 2025 or your money back, but it's free. So I'm going to stop talking now before I embarrass myself. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I am riddled with anxiety. It's what I live with. But one of my biggest thing that causes the most anxiety is driving. I now have a self-driving car, which is amazing because I get so stressed. I'm soaked. Anytime I have to drive anywhere where there's any traffic, I'm just sweating and gripping the steering wheel, which is fine, except now I'm learning to drive the fire truck. Yep. And also teaching my middle daughter how to drive a car. And I know I can't do it. I'm passing my anxiety on to her. We went driving last night and it's busy. It's Christmas time. There's cars everywhere. Why did I think her 4th time driving should be going to a busy area? I don't know. Here's a sneak peek of what it was like. Whoa, look out! Oh my God! Brake! The people! You're gonna kill someone! The car! Oh, you're in the wrong lane! Look out for the curb! Ah! I almost lost my breath from screaming. Like my voice. The poor kid. She's just trying to learn to drive. So she doesn't want to drive with me anymore. She wants her dad to teach her, which fair, friends. But also, I'm just curious, who else has like extreme driving anxiety? I think it's an ADHD thing. The only way I can calm and not be super stressed is if I'm cranking 90s hip hop so loud that my speakers are rattling. For some reason, that calms me. Anyways, let me know in the comments below if you're also just riddled with anxiety. I'll see you guys next time.